Hey everyone, we're back.
Hi, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life. We wanted to talk a little bit about what This Made Up Life is all about. And I know we've touched on it before, but we've had some questions from people, so let's talk about it again. This Made Up Life is all about making it up as we go.
Some people think that means, oh, you don't have a plan. You're just flying by the seat of your pants.
And we're not going to lie, sometimes we are flying by the seat of our pants, but we actually do have a plan. But when we talk about making it up as you go, we're talking about giving yourself the permission to start every single day as a brand new day. It has something to do with the conversation you're having with yourself. It doesn't have to do with your long-term plans. Those can still be in place, but it's allowing yourself to flow with change, with life. Life happens.
Yeah.
And we can't be so, for me, I just can't be so focused on a single moment that if that moment doesn't go right, that it destroys how I feel about myself.
Yeah. I think for me, I'm taking every day just like a step at a time. A new day, a new opportunity. It's so refreshing. Yesterday was a really hard day, and I went to bed, and I'm like, oh, it's so hard. And then I woke up this morning, and I'm like, woo, new day. It's going to be awesome.
Well, and I think that's it. I think for most of us, it's that inner voice. We have to ignite that inner voice that says, okay, I can do this.
I can do this
I
today.
can totally do this. So that's what we're all about. We share a lot of different things on our channel here. DIY tips with clothing. It all has to do kind of with clothing, but at the end of the day, all of those tips and all of those ideas and styling things, they all come back to the same thing, and it's helping us find a way to get up every day and say, okay,
I got this.
Making it up as I go. I can do this.
Yeah.
It's good. Pretty awesome.
So with that being said, we have a big announcement coming soon.
Ooh, yeah. So excited. This has been in the works for a while, and it's just coming to fruition, and it is really, really exciting.
And we want you guys to be a part of the excitement. So right now, our website is going under having a beautiful makeover. And during that time, we will have a space for you to enter your email address so you can get our newsletter and some special offers on the new launch.
It's going to be really exciting, and we want everyone who's interested in this made up life and interested in feeling good about themselves to get on that list. Because if you're on the email list, you will receive a special offer prior to launch. Launch is going to be on August 27th.
Mark it on your calendars. Woo.
August 27th.
Yep.
We're so excited. We're so excited. Huh? So go to our website, which is
www.thismadeuplife.com.
Put in your email address, opt in for the newsletter, and watch your inbox. Yeah.
Yeah, be prepared for some awesome stuff.
We're really, really excited, and we love what we do. And to keep doing it, we need your help. We need you to sign up for the email.
Subscribe to our videos on YouTube.
And please share. Because we know that if you love this, someone you know is also going to love it. So make sure you pass it along.
Share the wealth.
Share the wealth. We're so excited. We can't wait to hear what you have to say.
Woo!
Comment below.
Bye.
Bye.